When civil war broke out in Somalia almost 30 years ago, international aid had been largely cut off from the country. But in 2011, the Turkish government was the first foreign country to provide direct humanitarian relief, in particular, healthcare.
Turkey has a great contribution in the health sector. Actually, one of the best hospitals in Somalia as a secondary care is Erdoğan Hospital. The Ministry of Health of Turkey is consistently helping us with medicines, with specializations.
But Turkey isn't just building hospitals and supplying foreign aid. Foreign aid and NGO work has only provided a stopgap solution to help solve Somalia's crisis. The World Health Organization has warned that more than 3 million people still require urgent medical attention. But a Turkish university says its new project will provide a long-term fix to one of the country's most pressing problems. The University of Health Sciences, which is a public university in Turkey, opened the campus in Mogadishu 3 years ago. It is the first foreign higher education institution in Somalia.
Somali'nin kendi ihtiyaçları doğrultusunda.
Our university brings some of the best trained doctors from Turkey to teach local students here. Turkey's healthcare system meets international standards, and we want to make sure that we are giving a quality education here and training a new generation of healthcare professionals.
The university is having its first graduation ceremony. Ikram Mohammed finished top of her class and came with her family to receive her diploma.
I studied anesthesia, and this is the only school in Somalia that teaches how to use anesthesia on patients. One of the biggest problems in my country is unqualified healthcare staff, and I am confident that the education I received here was the best possible. And now I am looking forward to helping my country.
Mohammed, along with 57 other graduates, will now work in various hospitals across the country and are part of a long-term strategy to help bring an end to Somalia's healthcare crisis. Amar Kaplan, TRT World, Somalia, Mogadishu.